We're gonna rip you apart, mister. Oh no. Unfortunately, Facebook Marketplace is a cesspool and I don't want to deal with people, so I think I might have to just fix up this bike. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There's just a tiny separation there. These bearings right here, crusty. Okay. If I put this over here, technically, there we go, look at that. Look at that. Freewheel, baby. Ooh. It's tired. You take some fluid film. Guess I'm gonna have to take off the brakes to get this wheel off me. Perfect, look at that. Rear wheel removed, and this tire is definitely a little dry rotted, but it bounces. I just saw the tip of this screw fall off. Literally, I just pulled these straight off. Yeah, we got a little slack. We can pull these out. The last thing is this chain. Oh my gosh. The wind. It feels so good. Perfect. Oh my gosh, hold up. I broke my tool. I have returned. It is a new day. And I've come to the store, or come from the store really, and gotten some bolt cutters. Oh my gosh, heck yeah. Did you freaking see that? Dude, look at that. Freaking demolish this now. This thing right here is horribly rusted, but we actually need to keep it because I've decided instead of replacing the chain on the red bike, I'm going to use the chain that I have because I'm running a little low on money to use on this bike. I think this is all right. I spun it around, looks fine. You know, it's not bent at all. And so, well, I would have rather spent the amount of money that I'm gonna spend on this bike to just buy a used bike that's working. Facebook Marketplace is a cesspool, like I said previously. And so, oh wait, hold up. I freaking forgot. That was it. So this right here is the bike frame. There is, of course, the kickstand to remove, and let me take it out in the light. Yeah, this thing right here. I mean, last thing to remove is this thing. I think I can remove this with enough pressure, and then this thing's ready to be painted. Looks horrible, everything's exploded, but that is the bike finally taken apart. Now a completely naked frame. So this is ready to be sanded down. I'm just gonna wet sand it. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, but yeah, next time, I'm gonna be painting this thing.